The Lord be with you.
And also with you.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
The tax collectors and sinners were all gathering around Jesus to hear him, at which the Pharisees and the scribes murmured, "This man welcomes sinners and eats with them." Then he addressed this parable to them. A man had 2 sons. The younger of them said to his father, "Father, give me the share of the estate that is coming to me." So the father divided the property. Some days later, this younger son collected all his belongings and went off to a distant land where he squandered his money on dissolute living. After he had spent everything, a great famine broke out in that country, and he was in dire need. So he attached himself to one of the propertied class of the place, who sent him to his farm to take care of the pigs. He longed to fill his belly with the husks that were fodder for the pigs, but no one made a move to give him anything. Coming to his senses at last, he said, "How many of my hired hands at my father's place have more than enough to eat, while here am I starving? I will break away and return to my father and say to him, 'Father, I have sinned against God and against you. I no longer deserve to be called your son. Treat me like one of your hired hands.'" With that, he set off to his father's house. While he was still a long way off, his father caught sight of him and was deeply moved. He ran out to meet him, threw his arms around his neck, and kissed him. The son said to him, "Father, I have sinned against God and against you. I no longer deserve to be called your son." The father said to his servants, "Quick, bring out the finest robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and shoes on his feet. Take the fatted calf and kill it. Let us eat and celebrate, because this son of mine was dead and has come back to life. He was lost and is found." Then the celebration began. Meanwhile, the elder son was out on the land, and as he neared the house on his way home, he heard the sound of music and dancing. He called one of his servants and asked him the reason for the dancing and the music. The servant answered, "Your brother is home, and your father has killed the fatted calf, because he has him back in good health." The son grew angry at this and would not go in, but the father came out and began to plead with him. He said in reply to his father, "For years I have slaved for you. I never disobeyed one of your orders. Yet you never gave me so much as a kid goat to celebrate with my friends. Then, when this son of yours returns, after having gone through your property with loose women, you kill the fatted calf for him?" "My son," replied the father, "you are with me always, and everything I have is yours. But we had to celebrate and rejoice. This brother of yours was dead and has come back to life. He was lost and is found." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
So magandang good morning po sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid. wherever you are, the Lord is here. The Lord is loving each one of us in a special way. Just had that beautiful reading about the prodigal son. By the way, ilan po sa inyo dito ang senior citizens? Aminin, pakitaas naman yung citizens card. Ayan. Wonderful. Alam po nyo, by the way, mayroon ng bagong, law, batas, ano yan? 20% discount on food, transportation, movies, hospitals. Pero sabi ng isa, may binigyan ni mga yan, mga senior citizen, kasi food, discount. Konti lang makain ng mga yan kasi marami ng bawal. Okay lang. Transport, ilan ba sa kanila nagbibiyahe pa? Kasi, free movies. Malalabo naman mga mata niyan, kaya sige na lang, discount. Medicine. Mahirap na lumulun mga yan. Kaya okay, i-discount na. Tapos hospital. Sandali lang na lang ang buhay mo yan, kaya pwede nang i-discount. My brothers and sisters, this is a clear example where giving, but may rason, may kondisyon. Hindi talaga give na give. At ito po ang problema ng karamihan sa atin. Give tayo or forgive tayo, pero hindi give na give. 1 gives, 2 gives, 3 gives, ganun tayo mag-give. Hindi po talaga forgive na forgive. How many of us have said many times, forgive ko na, Father, pero I have not really forgotten. Pag nakikita ko pa rin siya, kumukulo pa rin ang tubo ko. Sisters and brothers, let us remember the loving Father sa prodigal son. Ang daming mga characters po sa prodigal son. Si P.S., prodigal son. Tignan ko nga, saan ka nakaka-identify? Ano pa? Of course, very important character, si L.F., loving father. Mapagmahal. May isa pang character. Sino? Si R.B., resentful brother. Nagtatampo ng kapatid. Diba? Sino pa? Ano ba mga karakter na isip ko sa kwento ng prodigal son? Yung PB, Pugad Baboy, yung kasama niyang kumain, di ba? O ano pa? Sino pa? Meron pa. Yung Kwan. GB. Gatong Brigade. Sino yun? Yung servant. Di ba? Dumating. Bakit? Anong nangyayari? Sabi ng resentful brother. Sinabi niya, dumating ang kapatid mo. Okay na sana yung statement yun. Ginatungan pa, alam mo, pinatay yung fattened calf. Ewan ko ba? Parang, yun, marami. Ganyan ka ba? And of course, very important,